Hi everyone, this is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. I'm hosting an open house today at this extraordinary Mark Rutenberg luxury home in South Tampa's Beach Park neighborhood, where brand new luxury homes are popping up all over the place. Let's take a tour. This gorgeous, fully furnished, custom Spanish colonial home is two-story concrete construction from the floor to the roof line, and it features barrel tile roofing. We're going to begin in the front, and it has travertine tiles, beautiful entryway, and we're greeted with an arched Brazilian wood door. The floors are scraped hickory wood floors, perfect if you have pets, especially large dogs. These floors will stand up to them. There's the chandelier, entryway. Gonna look through here, and here's the living area. It's really elegant. It has a casual dining room, the kitchen. Hi, Giovanni. And this home is 4,514 square feet, and it features, that's the heated, features a master suite in the first floor. It overlooks the pool. It's so beautiful. High ceilings. Comes fully furnished if you wish. And we're going to walk into the master bathroom. Porcelain tile. Beautiful shower, closet, dual vanities. Just beautiful. Here the kitchen has quartz countertops. Natural gas stove. There's the casual dining room, surrounded by windows, so you have a lot of natural light. You can look out into the pool area and into the outdoor kitchen. This is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway, Tampa, Florida. If you'd like to see this or any other luxury home in our area, contact me. My information's below. And be sure to subscribe for updates and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you next week. Bye.